This is my impression of an avid MySpace junkie. Oh man!
What?
Did you see that?
What?
Oh man! Did you see his? Oh, who's that? Hold on. Oh, did you see what he wrote me?
Who? What are you talking about?
Man! Oh! What? Did you see that bulletin?
No.
That bulletin!
A bulletin for what?
For that! I can't believe it!
From who?
Oh! Oh, hold on. He's online. I don't know him that well, but hold on.
Okay, you put me on or something.
Well, he's not giving me anything. Oh man! Did you see that?
See what?
That! What is he doing online?
Huh?
He said he was gonna be somewhere. What is he doing? Them people.
Oh man, look.
I wonder what he would say if I said that. Man! What is that? Well, that's about it. I told him that. Golly! Did you see that one? They don't understand.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, it's on now, though. He knows it. And now he wants to probably join in. He just popped online.
What the? You are. Man,
Where it's at. I don't want it.